So hi guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to set up your environment for learning data science and machine learning. So first of all, I'd like to tell you that if you are an experienced Python user, then you are free to use any IDE which you prefer. But for this course I'll be using either Jupyter Notebook or Spider. Let's install Python using the Anaconda distribution. So for that, just go to www.anaconda.com. So hover over products and click on individual edition. So just scroll down and you'll find Anaconda installers. So if you are using Windows, then select the 64-bit graphical installer or 32-bit. It depends upon which bit you are using for your operating system. Similarly for Mac OS, just install the graphical installer, and same goes for the Linux users. So I'm using Windows, so I'll click on 64-bit graphical installer. So guys, the Anaconda distribution has been installed, so double click it, click on next, I agree, select the recommended installations, so click on just me, select the given path. I don't think there is any reason to change it. And for the advanced option, I'd like for you to select the add Anaconda to my path environment variable as well. So click on install. So while this is being installed, I wanted to tell you why we are using the Anaconda distribution. So in their website they have written that with over 20 million users worldwide, the open source individual edition is the easiest way to perform Python, R, data science and machine learning on a single machine. Developed for solo practitioners, it is the toolkit and that equips you to work with thousands of open source packages and libraries. So yeah, most of the users use Anaconda distribution for data science and machine learning, so that's why we are using this. So if you want to know more about Anaconda distribution, then you can go to their website and see it for yourself. Okay, now click on next. I think you can unselect these, so click on finish. So now go to the start menu and type Anaconda, and click on the Anaconda navigator. So now you can see there are tons of options for you to choose for your IDE. There's Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Jupyter Lab, and you can also choose different IDEs such as Atom, PyCharm and many more. So for this course I think I'll probably choose Spider or Notebook. So let's see Spider for now. Okay, so now we've opened a Spider IDE. So let's type in our first program. Let's print hello world. Hello, sorry for that. Hello world. Just select this and run it. So yeah, you can see it is running perfectly.